Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 254 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Down here in the South, we love us some grits. And grits is made of white harmony corn. It's ground up like coarse meal, and then it's simmered in water. And of course, you gotta have the butter. And we love them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, and even for an appetizer. But why not turn it into a dessert? That's right, sugar. We're going to make a dessert using grits. We're going to make grits pie. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It is so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. If y'all love grits and pie, y'all will enjoy this recipe. So grab your grits, your butter, and your pie crust sugar, because we're about to bake some grits pie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is cook our grits. In my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of water. And all we do is bring this to a boil. Alright, my friends, the water has come to a boil. Next, we're going to add in a pinch of salt, which is 1/8 of a teaspoon. Gotta flavor the grits. Now we're going to whisk in 1/4 of a cup of quick cooking grits. Want to whisk occasionally so it won't get lumpy grits. Or you can use stone ground grits, but I wouldn't recommend using the instant. We're going to let this cook for 4 minutes. Alright, my friends, our grits has been cooking for 4 minutes. So next, you can't have grits without what? Butter! Yes! We're going to add in 5 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. Gonna stir that in, and we're gonna let that cook for another minute. And then we're gonna set it aside and let it cool. Alright, my friends, the grits is nice and cool. Alright, that looks great. Now we're gonna set the cool grits aside while we work on the filling. Alright, my friends, in my medium bowl, I have 1 cup of sugar. And we're gonna add in 1/4 of a cup of buttermilk. 2 tablespoons of cake flour, or you can use all-purpose flour. 3 jumbo eggs lightly beaten. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. Gonna give that a stir. And stir until it's nice and well combined. And also, I have a recipe of making your own buttermilk. If you don't have any in your refrigerator, I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Alright, my friends, now we're going to pour the custard into the cool grits. Gonna stir that in until it's nice and well incorporated. Smells good. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring everything together. Now we're ready to pour the filling into the pie crust. I'm using my homemade pie crust recipe. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box, or you can use a frozen or refrigerated pie crust. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to put our grits pie in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake until the filling is set. Alright, I'll bring you back, my friends. My friends, it smells incredible up in this kitchen. I have taken my grits pie out of the oven. It's nice and golden brown and looks mighty tasty. Alright, so now we're going to let the pie cool for a few minutes. And there's one more thing I got to add to it. Some whipped cream and strawberries. And there you have it, my friends. Southern grits pie. Doesn't that look amazing? Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. OMG. This is amazing. It's flavorful. It reminds me of eating a chess and a buttermilk pie. Y'all will enjoy this. This is a vanilla bite, and I got me a little whipped cream. Grits pie delicious. My friends, this past Thursday, it was so cold down here in Houston. It was 32 degrees. And I said, this 32-degree weather doesn't stop me from doing the job I enjoy doing, which is crossing guard. And ABC 13 News here in Houston gave me a shout out, and it was amazing. So stay tuned. After this video, I'm going to share with y'all some footage of the news and my photo I sent to them. They gave me a shout out twice on the 11 a.m. newscast and the 6 o'clock p.m. newscast. I hope y'all enjoyed the footage. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.
We love this picture. You're looking at Brittany Moore as she works her crossing guard duty in this morning's frosty temperatures. She says 32-degree weather, who cares? It doesn't stop her from the job she really enjoys. Brittany's post was actually a response to our hashtag, This Is How We Houston campaign. So if you want to send us some pictures of how you're bearing up under all of this cold weather, just hashtag This Is How We Houston, and we will put them on TV. But in the meantime, thanks, Brittany, for showing us how
way to go, Brittany.
it.
That was terrific. We love that picture.
That was great.
Sure, tomorrow afternoon she'll be out of that hat. She will not have that coat on anymore. This is how we Houston, right?
That's how we Houston. Every time we turn around, there's a different weather pattern going on.
Now, AccuWeather with 13 Eyewitness News Chief Meteorologist Travis Herzog.
Well, we told you to expect some frost this morning, and this Instagram post shows it.
We love it. One of our viewers posting this photo, she's a crossing guard, and simply says, this 32-degree weather doesn't stop me from doing the job I love. Hashtag, This Is How We Houston. We love it. Way to go. Look at that coat.
Look at those earmuffs.
Yeah.
Those earmuffs are the most.
And behind her, it looked like a winter wonderland.
I know, and all that frost.
My goodness.
Yeah.
And thank you, Miss Ellen, for braving the cold.